Thank you, Yet.
As you can see from the demo, Eileen ordered a service from ServiceNow self-service portal and triggered an orchestrated workflow to deploy the virtual machine. You can see the workflow in the VRA console here. In addition to that, there was also another workflow that started an Ansible job to install the application once the VM has been provisioned. You can see the workflow ran the Ansible job to install the software that Eileen selected on the self-service portal when she ordered the virtual machine. So what is Ansible? Ansible is an automation software that helps you with configuration management, application deployment, and task automations. It comes with two parts. Ansible Core, which performs the actual executions. It is free and open source. It is available for different flavors of Linux. You can see the output from Ansible Core captured in the VRO workflow that triggered it. Another part of the software is the Ansible Tower. It provides an easy-to-use web interface to control running Ansible in an enterprise environment. This is the dashboard of Ansible Tower. You can get a quick glance at the current status of the environment, such as the history of the Ansible jobs. We can also check the servers that are currently managed by Ansible Tower. Ansible jobs are defined by YAML files, which are easily to understand markup language. Each one of them is called a play. They are grouped together as a project, which can be defined here. Project can be imported directly from files or via version control repositories such as Git or Subversion. For example, HP has put up some Ansible modules on GitHub to support their OneView product, and we can easily import them into our Ansible Tower environment. Even though Ansible only runs on Linux, it supports many platforms, from Windows, VMware, to Cisco networking device. Many vendors also post their Ansible modules and sample scripts online to allow their customer to easily manage their products with Ansible. Red Hat has created a central repository website called Galaxy to allow the users or company to contribute their Ansible scripts. It is highly recommended to check out Galaxy to see if the workflows you are interested in already exist. Once the project is created in Ansible Tower, we can define the Ansible jobs here. We will select which play to run against which group of servers or inventory. We will also select credentials to be used to log into those servers. Ansible Tower stores all credentials in an encrypted format, so you don't need to share the password with users, but still allow them to execute Ansible play with the appropriate credentials. And we can launch the job from here. Here we can see the job running in real time. We can see tasks complete or skipped by mouse over the green or yellow dots. At the event summary, we can see how many tasks are completed on each server. We can also schedule a job using the built-in scheduler. For example, this playbook checks the configuration on the Linux servers to make sure they are secure. We can schedule this job to be run every hour. Let's say a developer disabled a firewall to test their software, but forgot to turn it back on after the testing. This scheduled job will automatically turn it back on once it finds the firewall status is different from what defined in the Ansible play. So with the power of Ansible Core and Ansible Tower, we can easily automate the deployment of services with VRA or perform regular maintenance of the environment.